Well, this is the SMEG FAB32 range of electric fridge freezers. Freezer on the top section, lower section, the fridge unit has this light unit in it, and when the bulb goes, it's supplied with an LED bulb, then it's pretty obvious. We've removed a couple of the shelf sections to give us access to this, and I struggled for ages trying to get any movement on this perspex section where you can see this LED bulb behind it. So let's show you the technique and where the little plastic pieces that hold this in place are, and how you can oyster it open to remove the cover to get to the bulb. Okay, now the implement I'm actually going to use is this old-fashioned bread knife, very nice and thin, but if you've got a narrow handled screwdriver, sorry, a tight beveled screwdriver, then that will do just as well. Now what I'm going to do is just oyster this in between, you see the end of the white perspex and the clear perspex, and then just oyster it up, and it clips straight out. The holders that clip in are one here, one on the top and one on the bottom, and it will go back in really nicely when it's ready to be replaced. Now the bulb unscrews. Power the fridge off before you access this port. Remove your bulb, and this is the unit that you need to replace with a fresh LED bulb, and then that just screws back in. If you do have to go and get your bulb from a shop, you can just then push the cover back on and it just clips back in like that.